Hi students, welcome to SDAI tutorial. In this video, we're going to learn parts of a computer plus files and folders in a simple and easy way. Parts of a computer 1. Monitor displays text, images, and videos. It is an output device. 2. CPU, Central Processing Unit, processes all data and instructions, called the brain of the computer. 3. Keyboard used to type letters, numbers, and commands. It is an input device. 4. Mouse used to point, click, drag, and select items. It is an input device. 5. Speakers produce sound from the computer. They are output devices. 6. Printer prints documents and pictures on paper. It is an output device. Files and folders 1. What is a file? A file is a collection of information or data. Examples: a document, picture, video, or music file. 2. What is a folder? A folder is used to organize and store files. It helps keep files neat and easy to find. So, now I'm going to show you a picture, so please pause the video and observe the picture.